Okay, so we had purchased several scooters for the babies, and I wanted to do my review. This is Jamaican Grandma. This scooter is actually a great scooter. No form of assembly you had to do, no screws, no bolts, nothing. Came in the box, and you just snap this piece in here, and it snaps in, and it's sturdy, it's firm, and you can adjust the height here for the babies. But I think this is the best scooter so far. It's made by the Bird. I don't know if you're aware, but they actually have scooters on the streets in Los Angeles where college students will rent them and ride them around the campus. Some campuses don't like them, or the beach doesn't like them, Venice Beach. But I guess it causes accidents and so on. But for at home scooter for the kids, I love and adore this scooter. It's better to invest in what is durable for your children, because sometimes you see toys and you're like, oh, this is cheaper, I'm gonna buy it, and then the wheel pop off in within a month or so. So this is definitely the best scooter ever, and this was Amara's graduation gift. She asked for it and she got it. By the time she finished her TK slash kindergarten, she knew how to read. That was her goal, and I told her that she would get the scooter if she knew how to read. And she's good. She reads her book every night. If you call her, she'll read for you. She loves to read to everyone. So this is her graduation gift, and I think it was worthwhile. You can pay for warranty also, but perfect. It is just perfect with for your child. Safety, sturdiness, just awesome. And this is from purchasing all their scooters, and I have them all in the garage. One wheel missing, so many. This was worth it. The cost now, it came to almost $200, but I've purchased, like I said, the ones for 40, and they didn't last for more than maybe I would say 4 times on them. So this one is worth it. Didn't have to have a screwdriver and all that, which I did for the others, and you had to put them together. This, zero. Just snap the toolbar in, and that was it. And she's ready to go. And the babies are doing it also, the toddlers, they're doing it. But I wasn't sure if I should get them one as yet. But I also found one where it has the seat, and I think that's what I will get for the toddlers. It has a seat about here, and they can sit on it and ride it. And then you can also detach the seat when they're older. So I think I'll get that one. But I wanted to test this out with Amara first because she's older. She's 6. So this is Great Buy Scooter for your children. Already have a great day. This is Jamaican Grandma, Princess Amara's Jamaican Grandma.